Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Narendra Matta, and in this video we will see a question from mensuration which was previously there in SSC CGL. So let's go straight away to the question, and here is the question. The height of solid cylinder is a 30 centimeter and the diameter of its base is a 10 centimeter. We know if the diameter is 10 centimeter, the radius is a 5 centimeter, half of diameter. So we have the height and we have the radius. Now the two identical conical hole, each of radius 5 centimeter and height 12 centimeter, are drilled out. Now, what is the surface area of the remaining solid? So the picture goes somewhere in this way. It's a cylinder, and in this cylinder you have drilled two identical conical hole with the same radius 5. The cylinder radius is 5, then this radius is also 5. That means both the diameter will remain same. So you are drilling one cone over here. So you are drilling one cone over here. That means I can show you over here with a diagram a cone. So what happens? There is no more area on the top, the circle area. You don't have this area because you cut the cone inside it. Then you will have the area of the cone. The similar way you did it, how many identical cones? Two identical cones. Now you are asked that what is the surface area of this? So you will have another cone. You can I can assume that we have another cone in this way here. Let's take this way. Another cone you have drilled it, and the radius. Look at this one. The radius of a cylinder is the same as the radius of the cone, because here it is given in terms of diameter 10, that means radius is 5, and the cylindrical hole here also the radius is 5. So that identification is one of the important part of it. So let's answer it. So I'll find out the outer part of the area, that is a curved surface area of the cylinder, and curved surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 pi r into h. Let's consider this h in capital. Okay, so this what, and then I need to add this part, that means the area of a curved surface area of a cone, that is, and remember that curved surface area of the cone, we have a formula, that is pi r l, and 2 pi r l, because two cones are removed from here. It was cut in two cones, so that is 2 pi r l. This will be the total surface area of the cylinder. Now it comes that how do we get the L? How do we get L? You look at this here, the pi, the answer is in pi. So let the pi be here. So we have the R here 5, we have the H, capital H here, and we do have the for L we have R and H. So can I get this one? So here I will take the H here, and we have the R over here. So when you have the H, we have the R, so you can find out this hypotenuse, because here it makes a right angle triangle. And look at this, what are the values we have? The R is 5 and H is R. 1 minute. The R is 5 here and the H is 12 here. So I need to find out the hypotenuse. And in right angle triangle, we know that this 5, 12 and 13 are the triplets, 5, 12 and 13. So we don't need to use the formula here. We know that this part is 13. So the slant height, it is 13. Shall we solve this question? Let's move on. Can I take the 2 pi and r as common? Because here the r is 5, here also r is 5. So 2 pi r, I'll take it common. And here this is h, capital H. Here it is mentioned as 30. So let's take that h as 30 plus I will take this as L, and the L is here 13. That's all. So I would have been directly taken the R value. R is 5. Why not to replace it by 5? So now I got that 5 into 2 is 10. So 10 pi into, that's 30 plus 13, 43. So 43 into 10, that is 430 pi. This should be my answer. So you can see that 430 pi, option 1. This was a question of SSC CGL Tier 2, conducted, it was in the year 2020. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe it and press the bell icon. So whenever I post any video, you will be able to watch it. Thank you very much.